wetin dey here? Wetin dey do by this time? Why I made double shop? Wetin dey do for here by this time? Why I made double shop?
Mama Emeka, now you are the wait for this morning.
Which one you dey wait for me this morning for? That means now what time you want to do? You don't drink water. So what make you dey here to wait for?
My love, no best now. Now my clothes I want to tell you when you wash for me.
Eh?
Hey, inside room. See, you get that jeans. See that jeans way here. I better me give tell or make this one. Make you wash and wear, yeah. I love her best.
I better make her your brother side. Shop my love. You love.
You let me wash this thing, I beg now.
Wash your thing. Maybe wash your thing.
Now what you want to make?
Okay, what you want me to say before?
What
you want me to say before?
My children come back and they say their papa don't go.
Apostle, we hear of this.
Are you normal?
Oh my God.
Yeah, why the best now? Okay, make car one.
I'm not the best. No, as I say, so my temp already cool down. Cool.
Okay now.
Cool.
What do you want? I don't want cold Fanta. I give you anything down. I know that you like Fanta. It's cold. You want to become bro.
Mumu man.
My love.
That is me.
Don't relax.
Come on, go with them. Let's quest. Come on, go with them. I don't do them. I do love you. Mom, I'm for you now.
This one is for me.
Yes, man, I'm for you.
Now, wow, you don't feel.
I'll
Okay. Let's go buy this one.
Nah, Mama. Let's go for there.
Wow, this one has a big bottle.
Yes, man, for you. Enjoy. Yes, my fun. Enjoy.
Let me take some more.
No, my feed you.
Make her not do that. Make her not really, you know, be dirty now. Don't pass that.
Okay, now. Do? Bear for you now. This is for
a big bottle be this one.
Yes, now. For
My love. But what I will do you well.
Okay, make a video someone play.
You see this money so. Our pastor, church people money.
Apostle, we hear of this.